The new post-construction inspection workflow will be soon available to all users. Once you've been notified that construction has been completed for a job, it's now ready to be prepped for inspection. To prep a job, go to your office tools and look for the new button, Prep for Post-Construction. Clicking this will create a copy of the job, renaming the copy Pre-Construction. The original will have the attributes Done and Field Completed removed so that the poles can be recollected. Also, photos in the job will now contain a watermark to clearly state that the photos were taken pre-construction. Now that the job is ready to be recollected, the process can be done solo or as a two-person crew. For the solo workflow, the driver is able to park the vehicle at the start of the job and then walk through snapping photos of each pole and then walk back when the collection has been finished. The only time a height stick will be needed is for pole replacements. Otherwise, take a photo of each pole, framing it as a normal pole height shot. At the start of the job, take a sync photo to begin collection. Once the necessary photos have been taken at each pole, click Done on the mobile app. Continue with this method for each pole in the job. For a two-person crew, we implement a driver and a photographer system. The driver and photographer should each have a mobile device so that navigation is simplified. On the driver's phone, go into the menu in the top left corner of the screen, and under Settings, toggle Center Map on GPS. This will allow the driver to easily keep track of what pole the photographer is documenting. On the photographer's phone, go into the left-hand menu in the top corner as well, and under Settings, toggle Auto Zoom Checklist and Skip Mid-Spans. This allows for rapid collection and minimal phone interaction. Using this system, the driver will slowly drive the pole line with a bubble light and caution lights on as the photographer captures the updated pole height shots out of the window. The photographer will take the sync shot of his or her phone and mark the poles done after the pole is collected on that phone only. In this system, the driver's phone is only to be used for navigation. Once the job has been collected, return to the office to upload the photos. After the photos have been uploaded, click Associate Photos from your office tools. Once photos are correctly associated, you can click on the Cable Trace View and Make Ready View buttons at the top of Maps. Click on the first span to open up 3-panel or Tracing View. In Tracing View, select the Photo Chooser button to open up the view of all photos for that pole. Here, you can now select to transfer wires to a new photo. Find the post-construction inspection photo and click on this Transfer Wires button on that photo. Clicking the button initiates the transfer wire routine. The routine will walk you through the annotation heights of the pre-construction photo to transfer and use as anchor points to calibrate the new post-construction photo. Whatever point is selected will be highlighted by a yellow border. You are then able to click on the new photo to add that height as a calibration point. The routine will then automatically move to the next annotated height that could be used. You can press the Escape key to skip over a height you don't want to use as a calibration point. Any points that had make-ready moves in the pre-construction photo will be automatically skipped. For the heights that you want to use, simply click on the new photo to add that as a calibration point. For poles that don't have enough annotated height points, you are also able to select and create a marker on the pre-construction photo to transfer. To do this, click on a distinct marking on the pre-construction photo, like a pole tag. This will create a height marker with a yellow border around it. Then, click that same location on the new pole. The routine will continue to loop by pressing the Escape key on the keyboard in case you skipped over a height marker you needed to use for calibration. Once you have a good calibration, you can press Done with Anchors, Transfer Heights. This button will automatically transfer all annotated heights to the new photo based on their proposed heights from the pre-construction photo. This will also make the post-construction photo the new main photo. This removes any make-ready notes or calls, allowing you to perform new make-ready for any deficiencies on the post-construction photo. If you notice that some of the make-ready has not been performed yet, you can transfer the existing heights from the pre-construction photo. Select the items that have not yet been moved, then press Done with Anchors, Transfer Heights. This will open a window asking whether you'd want to use the proposed or original heights for the selected items. If you choose the original height option, the heights will transfer over at the pre-construction height with the original make-ready moves. If new make-ready is needed, you are able to call that on the post-construction photo to send out a new make-ready notification. Once finished, press the Exit View button to return to the tracing view and continue along with your other pulls. Thanks for watching.